कचऱ्याचे निमित्त करून इमारतीचे बांदकाम करपा खातीर परवानो दिवपाचो पंचायतीचो हक्क आपल्या कडेन दवरपाचो प्रयत्न करपी गोंय राज्याचो पंचायत खात्याचो मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होक उच्च न्यायालयान व्हड धपको दिला. दाबोळी विमानतळ वाठारांत नौदलाची परवानगी घेयनासतना व्हडा प्रमाणांत व्हड इमारती उबे जाल्यात. पंचायत मंत्र्याच्याच मतदारसंघात हें काम चालू आसा. तातूंत पंचायत खात्याचो मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होचो एकदम लागींचो ताचो इश्ट कमला प्रसाद यादवाच्या इमारतीचो आस्पाव आसा. मुरगांव पिडयेचेर ताची नेमणूक केल्ल्यान तांणी नौदळाची परवानगी घेयनासतना इमारत उबारिल्ल्यान ताच्या विरोधांत जनहीत याचिका न्यायालयांत आशिल्ली. शुक्रारा दीस ताचो निकाल दितनाच विमानतळा सरभोंवतणी बेकायदेशीर आशिल्ल्यो इमारती मोडपाचो आदेश उच्च न्यायालयान नौदळाक दिला. मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन ताच्या इश्टाची इमारत सांबाळपा खातीर खूब प्रयत्न केल्यात. मंत्रीपदाचो गैरवापर केल्ल्यान मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होक आनी ताच्या इश्टाक मुरगांव पेडयेवयल्यान काडचो अशी मागणी गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेसचो माध्यम प्रमुख ट्रोजन डिमेलोन पणजेन पत्रकार परिशद घेवन जाहीर केला.
The illegal buildings that are there could be used by terror groups, by enemy camps to target the airport. This is a very serious charge I had made, and this charge has been upheld by a judiciary, the Bombay High Court Goa bench, which judiciary has shown spine that they would stand up to see and protect Goa, and we should be proud that this bench is headed by a Goan-born judge. Now, when it is security is in danger, after raising the issue, demanding of the Chief Minister to take serious action, yet he has a minister who has managed to take every Chief Minister for a ride. May it be the power scam, he has fooled everybody. Senior Chief Ministers of the state. You had a Chief Minister who filed a case against him in the Power Ministry or the power scam, but again inducted him. The manipulation that he has, and to take the Chief Minister's reputation to its lowest, he has that capacity. हांवें त्या प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साक पॉयंट आउट केलेलो की कमला प्रसाद यादव by name, Deputy Sarpanch of Chikali, who was member of the MPDA, himself has got illegal construction there. And he was a party in this petition, trying to defend his illegal construction. I had also mentioned that there is something known as the CCZM, the color-coded zoning map, which this government refused to accept. Now here, some paper brought it. There are two orders. One there was on the 6th of February, an interim order. I did not come out then because I did not want anything to be misunderstood and jump the gun when the full judgment was supposed to come, which came yesterday. But on 6th February interim order, some paper has brought it prominently. If I am not mistaken, I think Newton Mahwah has brought it. Now, very important in that order, which I don't know this was cited or not in the news, in the MPDA authority meeting, the Panchayat Minister, who is also a member of the MPDA, informed them on 22/10/2019. Now this is when imagine the question is, the writ petitions are pending before the High Court. I am making this as a point. Yet the arrogance of this minister to attend a meeting and inform that meeting MPDA that a meeting was called by the naval authorities himself, other members which included, and that they have told them, and they have dictated terms to the Navy authority, your color-coded zoning map will not be accepted. Now remember one thing, whatever you do at the local level, it cannot override central rules. And this has been particularly mentioned in yesterday's judgment. But the question is, every now and then I am trying to bring again and again that this minister, as it has been said, you put him anywhere, you put him in the Panchayat minister, he does money on the construction side. तेका खंय घाल, निरामार घालशी, तो ते मेस्तलो लारां, थंय पयशे कोत्तलो. मग तेका तूं अशी तुका तालाव. You disturbed him. So, the question I am trying to make is, he says that we have rejected him and the Chief Minister of Goa has written a letter to the Defence Ministry. Now the Chief Minister is being taken for a ride. I am giving a benefit of doubt. Whether he is doing it ignorantly or whether he is a part and parcel of this whole game plan ploy to rule Goans, Marvin hits out at Navy. According to him, the Navy has come to rule Goa by extending all these areas. This is when all of this is going on in the court. This is important. When the matter is being heard, a Panchayat minister, a minister of this Goa government, should have given due respect to the judiciary and said, let us wait till the matter is being complete. He goes and says that the Navy is trying to boss and rule this Goa. He doesn't care. He said, people are not going where people are going to build houses. Build it on the tarmac. Buy outside. Give permission on the tarmac. And say that people, what do you call that, planes landing is not important. So the plan, the evil plan of trying to destroy this airport to open up MOPA totally has been frustrated by this judgment. Absolutely frustrated. Let them go. I'm 1 minute. Now, he is here on record. We don't care for the Navy. They are come here. We are the bosses. There are matters before the High Court. Being a law, are you a law-abiding citizen? You all are lawmakers or lawbreakers? They are proving to be lawbreakers. They are not worthy to be there. Just because you spend money and get some votes, doesn't mean to say that it's giving you powers to do whatever you want. They are challengeable. And it has been upheld today. That what this minister is doing all nonsense. He thought he would able to, the BJP feels they can control the judiciary. That's what is being reported. We demand that the MPDA member Kamala Prasad Yadav for being found guilty, first of all, for being a part of a resolution where his construction was involved, and for being a part of Chikali village panchayat which is allowing, and being a member of should be immediately sacked from the MPDA first. The next step is, if the Chief Minister is not a part of this conspiracy of collecting from Morgan for the illegalities to continue in a funnel zone area which is highly high risk security area, and if there is he is not a part of the same conspiracy of trying to shut down MOPA, shut down Daboli to open up MOPA, Panchayat Minister on this very issue should be sacked. If not, I am cautioning the Chief Minister. This Panchayat Minister has played a fool with very senior ex-Chief Ministers of Goa, including their own ex-Chief Minister who filed a power scam case which has reached the Supreme Court till now, and yet he managed to be a cabinet minister under him. So this is the power of manipulation and fraudstering this fellow can do.